Rashini. I am from Odisha and I am doing my BTech in Aerospace Engineering, and I am now doing a course in DataMites of CDS course in DataMites. I selected to choose the data science because it's now the scope is in future for data science is many more, and while I am doing aerospace engineering before, and the main thing is the AI take place in many more areas, especially in aerospace industries. So I want to do the studies through the artificial intelligence. That's why I choose the data science course. And for I am choosing the DataMites because it's I researched many institute and I found it really helpful, and the teacher, and it's good actually. The reviews are good, and the things I get from out of the result, it's really good from internet. The course model we are given is really good, and they are very well structured, and we are studied according to the planning. After one module we are going for second module. If we get any doubts in between, we have cleared in the doubt sessions, and the trainers are really good. They are very helpful and friendly. If we contact them through emails and other things, they will reply that, and they will help in studying and everything. Classroom environment is really good, as we are all are from different backgrounds, and we will all are in specification in other areas. We will get to learn from each other from many things. As someone is specialty in marketing, someone is specialty in finance, someone is in engineering. So it is good to learn from each other and growing each other, and it's good to have a really conversation with the teachers, and the batchmates is really good.